And the opening act of the Reykjavik Museum Night is called Öndvegissúlur, the poem of light by Bill FitzGibbons.
Light is life-giving. It's an energy source, and it's a wonderful thing to use as a sculptural medium. When you put a LED light program on an important building, it allows the citizens to see this structure in a way they've never seen it before. This is a perfect metaphor because you have the City Hall with the columns emerging from the water here, and so we're kind of celebrating the birth of Reykjavik.
I want to make sure that it actually fits.
So this should come out.
See, if I can get 2 screws on just here,
Yeah.
it doesn't matter.
But we want it to come out as far as possible. These columns are not circular. They're kind of oval with a leading edge on the front. And we've developed this V shape. Then we have an aluminum angle and an extension for the first light. And the straps hold the shelves, and then we have a piece that goes from the bottom of the leading edge down to the column itself. These columns are about 50 feet, so these have a range of about 70 feet, so we should be able to go all the way to the top. Shallow and cold.
This is the first time I've worn 4 pairs of pants. Underwear, long johns, jeans, sweatpants, and then waders. It's slippery, sticky, and I'm up to my knees in duck poop.
We're going to have a frozen lake, ideally, that we could just set these on and have a lot of flexibility in terms of where our light throw was going to hit the facade of each one of these. And we ended up with no ice.
It's perhaps not the easiest place to work because we have this lake, this water, and they have to wade, and it's, you know, the work environment is not really good.
This is a little bit stressful, this artwork that he's making, but he is so calm and goes through it.
It's taken all week to install the LEDs at the base of the columns, and tonight we will be doing the actual programming, which is the art part of an LED installation. It's how you make the lights interact with the architecture that becomes the sculpture, because that would ruin the LEDs. And also in the evening they clean some of the offices, and if we could get the lights in the offices that are facing the lake turned off. A lot of anxiety before the artwork is produced. You just kind of hold your breath when you push that first programming button and hoping that everything works properly.
Sér hún uppkoma öðru sinni, jörð úr ægi iðja græna, falla fossar, flýgur örn yfir. Sá á fjalli fiskaveiðir.
What he was doing was actually from the Eddas, the sagas, the ancient poems of the Vikings about the birth of the universe, the fall of the universe, and the rebirth.
I really enjoyed it. Yeah, and I thought it was amazing how many people turned up for the walk even though it was raining.
And when we got the national anthem and the colours of the flag, I got tears.